What's up guys, this is Yash. Welcome to this new fresh video. It's been forever. I haven't posted anything on my channel, so I wanted to first start with the tour of my new office, which I am in right now. I'm gonna give you a tour. It is close to 7 p.m. so the light is probably gone, but still I'm gonna try to get you whatever I can. This office might seem a little smaller than regular, but this is where we are. I've been lost, I've been gone forever, but I want to make a point to make sure the internet knows I am back. I am back today. It's the 14th of May 2018. I'm gonna make sure I post this video today in the next 2 hours, edit and post it already. It's been forever. I'm lost and I hate myself for that. I haven't posted anything since, I would say, not really content since December. So I've been 5-6 months about, and I've been a failure on YouTube, and I myself would like to say I am sorry for not doing that. That being said, I'm not going to take any more time of yours, and I really appreciate if you're even watching this video, because I personally don't think I deserve any views at this point, and I see that my followers and my subscribers have gone up even though I was gone. I appreciate people who have signed up again, and thank you so much, but I just want to say this is the start of season 2, and we're going to change the game from here. I am back. I'm going to bring in a lot of business related content. I'm going to learn, and what I learn is going to be sent to you and shown to you through this camera, through this medium, back at your screen. Super excited about it. I know it's been a while. You probably don't remember this face, but I am Yash, and this channel is WISDOMified, and thank you for watching this video. And let's jump in and let me show you how my office looks like. Okay, so now I'm outside, and probably this plaza would give you a little reference of where I am. I'm in the same plaza where my previous office was, but now I'm not in the specific location I was in. Like, I was right here that way, and I was a smaller location before, but now I've gone down the plaza and we face the other way, and now we are almost twice the size of the previous warehouse. How has the business been? Business been good? Okay, fine. There have been a bunch of things I've been trying to practice, trying to make it better, trying to find new people, right people to do stuff. It's always a struggle when you're doing a business, and I'm super excited to do that most of the times, and it's Monday today. I'm here being loud, and I'm so pumped for this channel because I have written down all the scripts. I've written down all the content we're gonna be generating soon. I'm so happy about it. I'm gonna take this vlogging camera with me everywhere. If nothing, I'm just gonna vlog around. So that being said, again, I know I told you guys just like 2 minutes ago, like, okay, I'm gonna be right on jumping into doing this. So I'm gonna show you my office. Okay, so first of all, so now that it is moved, this over here is my office. It might look a little smaller to look at. One window over there, 2, 3, and this is my truck right here, followed by the garage door, and like all of this is my office. So it's simple. We just walk in, and I'm gonna turn the camera around. So right here, so this is my daily driver, my 2016 F-150. Love this thing, drive it every day. And if you guys comment on this and tell me if you want me to go over different edits and different things that I've done onto this, like changing stuff and plastic dipping and stuff. I've not done real major performance upgrades on this truck, but I've tried to make it look cool. I get a bunch of nice views about it. People tell nice things about it. So that's my F-150, all black. Okay, then this is my office. Tinted the windows so because the sun shines and it gets really hot. Gets in here. This is the main office area. A little bench over here, like a little seat, a little couch. You come in, you have a seat. My airplane, and there's a reason, because your boy right here is taking airplane lessons, and I'm learning how to fly, and I'm almost done, and that is part of the reason why you don't see me too often on YouTube. But I am back, and I'm gonna be giving you a tour about me going out and flying one day, and I'll try to take you guys with me, and that's gonna be a video in the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna make sure of it. So that being said, right around here are my few business cards. This is a desk for the front desk, customer service person. All I have that is in-house. And then we go in. This is my office. I got a new gaming chair right from Staples. Beautiful, amazing, super comfortable. My 27-inch screen, my iPad, both speakers. Love this new stand that I have over here from Amazon I put my MacBook right on top, and it's so less space consuming. Initially, I used to have this big thing. So I would have this, put my laptop, and it'll take like good this much, like 12 inches of space or 13 inches of space on my desk, but now I have more space to put shit on, right? So there's my dream board. That's everything. That's your boys WISDOMified Consulting, and there's a story behind this. Now I'm helping real people with marketing. So if you have any marketing questions, what you simply do, you go ahead, put down into your email address, put Yash, that is Y-A-S-H, at WISDOMified.com. Send me the question and I'm gonna help you out, and I have a whole team helping you out. Okay, so this is my office here. This is my little thing, a little couch if someone comes in. This is most probably like my den, right? And I love this thing. So this is quite a good size office. That's a LG 34-inch screen I got for myself that I thought I'm gonna switch my 27-inch 1080p screen with. This screen sucks. It's so ugly. The colors are so bad. I threw that shit out. I hooked it up for like 7 minutes exact and threw it out. That being said, we walked in that door and we go in here, and this takes us to our warehouse. This is the door that you saw from the outside. That's the same door in front of which is my truck. This is the door that leads you to the warehouse. This is where the warehouse starts. Some returns and exchanges we're gonna take care of. There is my boat that never gets to go out because of my busy schedule. And all of that is my warehouse. Full of stuff, full of supplies, full of things. It's huge. This warehouse is about 2,000 square feet. It's huge and got a bunch of inventory over here. There's a bathroom. Still the work is in progress. And over here is my photo studio where we do photos for our products. Little pantry area. This coffee machine needs to go. If someone wants to send me a new coffee machine, go ahead and send it over. I need a nice coffee machine. I love my coffee, and this coffee machine sucks, and I'm really far from Starbucks, so I don't get to go there all the time. The bathroom is right by the pantry. It is not the nicest, but it does the deal. So that's the camera I use to vlog normally, guys. So this is a G7X on a Manfrotto tripod. Use this setup to vlog mostly, so that's about it. And this is my office. If you guys like this video, if you enjoyed the video, if you liked how my office looks, and if you have any comments, or you're like, oh Josh, you know what, this is a cool thing you should have in your warehouse, you should have in your office, tell me about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm super glad that you guys are still here after like 6 months of me being disappeared. I am back. I have a bunch of content written down. I'm working on it right from this moment. There'll be great videos coming out. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be all business, marketing, entrepreneurship, e-commerce, everything related to that, because I am a big time learner. I'm no way an expert, I'm no way a guru, but I'm a learner, and as I learn, I like to teach. So I'll bring that information back to you guys and we'll have things rolling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do consider subscribing to this channel for all things entrepreneurship, marketing, and business related. And thank you so much. Take care, peace, and forgive me for not posting for the last 6 months. Thank you so much. This is Yash signing off.